Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase connection issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through connection issues on your Coinbase app, then there might be some network issue going on. So in that case, here are some fixes you could consider trying. First, make sure that you switch your mobile phone off by pressing the power button and tap it on restart or power off. Reboot your system and tap open Coinbase application and see if that fixes the issue. Log into your Coinbase account and if your problem is solved, there you have successfully fixed Coinbase connection issue. But if you're still not being able to do so, try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try turning on your flight mode, wait for at least 60 seconds and turn it off back again. Wait until your mobile device gets connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and try logging into your Coinbase account by tapping on the app again. If you're still not being able to log into your Coinbase app, the next thing to do is to check whether you have the updated version of Coinbase app or not. Tap open your Play Store and once you're inside the main home page, tap on the search box and type in Coinbase. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button right next to the app, it means you've not updated your application to the latest version. Simply tap on update and download the latest version of Coinbase in order to fix your issue. Once you update your application, try logging into your Coinbase app again and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear your mobile cache for Coinbase app. Tap on the settings button from your mobile device and once you do that, from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the app list, search for Coinbase and once you find it, give it a tap. From the app info page, tap on storage. Tap clear cache at the bottom right hand corner and this will clear out your cache data from your Coinbase app. Now, once you do that, go back to your Coinbase app from the app drawer and give it a tap to open. Log into your Coinbase account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're not being able to log into your Coinbase account since it's having connection issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.